4D tempered glass fisheye lens. 4D fisheye lens curved off-road light makes a super bright lighting, but the light is softer than other reflector lamp, anti-dazzle. Further irradiation distance, 180 degrees non-blind area, safer and more relaxed. The thick tempered glass lens is more durable, scratch-proof and non-yellowing. IP68 waterproof anti-corrosion. This light bar is made of 6063 thick die-casting aluminum, not only highly waterproof and corrosion protection, but also has a good heat dissipation effect and no worry about fastness. Can be used in rainy day or other severe environment as you like. Low power consumption. Adopts energy-saving electric circuit, high-brightness LED illumination. Make your vehicle to be cool downtown atmosphere. An increase of three-dimensional vehicle to the flue. Straight to match windshields and bumpers for a cleaner look. Wide application. Combination of spotlight floodlight, perfect for off-roader, vehicle, trucks, boats, hunters, construction workers, ranchers and those who know the sweat that goes into a good day's work. Note: professional installation would be highly recommended. Top reviews from the United States. Very bright, easy to install. Fits really nicely and is very bright, well worth the price.